Namaskar. If you want to get admission in MA Mass Communication in Jamia Millia Islamia University, you should know that your final score is dependent on four factors. First one is question paper. In that question paper, there are 20 questions which are objective and negative marking also applies there. And the second one is subjective question paper, or you can call it descriptive or theory based question paper, which consists for 180 numbers. This also have many parts. I will explain it later, but you should also know about interview. Interview is for 45 marks, and who are qualified in written examination, who are shortlisted in that, they are called for interview. Since last 2 year, interview is online based, and last is portfolio. When we talk about portfolio, it is not a type of which you present when audition. It is a type of portfolio in which you will mention all your works related to media. That consists 55 marks in your score. So you should focus on these four factors. And now we should see the model question paper for Jamia Millia Islamia MA Mass Communication Entrance Examination. This is the question paper provided by Jamia Millia Islamia University as a sample paper. Here you will see that your question paper is divided into 200 marks, and first one is for 20 marks, that is objective type questions, MCQs, and part B has been divided into three sections. Section 1 is for 60, section 2 is for 60 marks, and section 3 is also for 60 marks. When we talk about section A, simple type question which are related to political science or general knowledge are asked here. For example, first question is here: who was the first president of independent India? The right answer is Rajendra Prasad. You have to fill OMR seeing this, and their questions may be related to your film industry as well as media industry. Okay, and you have to fill you will get a OMR or like this. You have to fill in your answers in it. And the part B, as already mentioned, divided into three sections. Both sections consist for 60 marks. Then when we talk about section first, this is to check your creativity. Here you will get one image, one illustration. Seeing that illustration, you have to write a story of 500 words in your own words. That should not be copied there. How well you can write a story, how well you can narrate it, you will get marks on according to this. 30 marks. Okay, and the second part of section A is write a story of any one of given situation in appro max 500 words. Here you will get three topics, and no yes you will get three topics here. You have to put one, and you have to write a story of 500 words that you have to narrate. That should be your own narrated, should not be copied from here or there. Okay, and section 2 is also have two questions in which for example, here is given a question: express your views on the current state of broadcast media. What broadcast media is doing in nowadays, you can explain it. Whatever you think about it, you can mix your views about it, and you can write up here in 500 words. And second question is also: how has cinema evolved with changing times in 21st century? Then you already should have knowledge about how cinema has been changing, how web series are changing the interface of cinema, and now nowadays cinema is also passionate about biographies and how they are changing the society, and how cinema has been changing according to the society, according to the youth, what internet has made changes in your cinema. You can write all these things in this question. You will here you will get three questions in which you have choose any two of that three. Okay, section 3, in this section you will get 5 questions in which you have to solve three for 300 words of each. And in this section, this is current affair based. Okay, for example, first question is: should India switch to a presidential system of governance? State your views. Then here it is measured how you think politically, how much you are politically aware. You should have right according to that. Okay, second question is: COVID-19 pandemic has severely impacted education in India. Critically analyze the role of television in imparting education during pandemic. So here I already said you have to express your views, how confidently you write it, and how confidently you prove it as you write. For example, if you are accepting that television had done very good during that pandemic, you have to prove through your writing of 300 words. Okay, and third question is here given: should we cut trees in the name of infrastructure development? Provide suitable arguments to support your position. Here it is not like that you have to choose that we should not cut trees. Here you can also select that it is important for infrastructure development, but you have to prove by your own words. That is main thing. How arguments, how much factful your arguments are, that matters in this case. Okay, so you have to write this here. And social media is a boon to our society, but it is also misused. What is your opinion? You have also to choose one opinion. Is social media a boon, or it is curse? So whatever you want, you can choose, and you have to write your own views, and you have to you prove it by your words, by writing in 300 words. And this is written question paper. And after that we talk about interview. Then in interview, when you are shortlisted, in that you have to face interview, and you have to submit your portfolio. First we talk about portfolio. What is in portfolio? As I already said, you have one file in which you have mentioned all the works you did related to media, how much articles you have written for newspapers, or magazines, for whatever you have did, you have to mention it in that portfolio. Okay, and whatever you think it should, it may be a type of SOP, you can write there. And in interview in interview, very experienced, very senior professors ask you questions about you, why you want to choose this course, why you want to study mass communication. They ask about yourself, they ask about your point of views, your opinions. So you should have strongly prepared for it, because interview is counted as toughest interview in Jamia Millia Islamia of AZK Research Center. So that is all. You should prepare for this very confidently and very hard workly, so you can get succeed. Okay, all the best from us, and be prepared, be ready, and give your best in that entrance examination. Thank you. Stay tuned, the University Connection.